Hey, this is Peter Gerardi from DashNex Pages, and in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to upload your personal website landing page, which is DNP 003, on your domain so that you can start to use it. All right, so I'm logged in my demo account right now, and if you are looking for tutorials or any kind of support, please just either click this button right here and email us through this chat, or you can click get support and it will take you to our help desk where you can find information about templates and about the setups and all of those things, how to basically configure the basic stuff for your website. Now, once you will download the files and unzip the folder from below this video, you will find basically these four files inside of that. And the first one is README first, so I really want to highly recommend for you to read this. These are the license terms for the template. And then you will find these three other files. And so I'm going to show you right now what to do with them and how to really work with them. So the very first thing that you want to do, you want to go to your subdomain settings right here. And this will take you to the place where you can update basic designs and you can do all kinds of things here. But the one thing that I want to show you right now is this source hosting. So as you can see, we have the source hosting, and basically what it does, it allows you to upload all the images and all the code that is behind the template. It allows it to be uploaded directly to your DashNex Pages account. And so what you essentially need to do here is you just need to take this zip file right here, and you just need to drag and drop it like this. And you will wait for it to upload, and you will see that in a moment right here on the screen. Now, as you can see, it has been uploaded. So there is some kind of message about the wrong files or something. So this one is, I don't know why it's being uploaded, but it's something related to my computer. So I want to delete that. It's not necessary. And then what I would also like you to do is basically, if you unzip this one on your computer, then you can quickly see what's inside. So for example, the CSS, you can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is how you can literally look at this and see whether you have all the files there. So here as well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it looks like all the files are uploaded. And, if you look here in the main JS, it's the one file there, and library here. There is a bunch of subfolders. So those subfolders are uploaded differently here. As you can see, we have the subfolders, and under the subfolders, we have a bunch of different things there as well. So in any way, you can check this way to see if all the files are uploaded. Typically, it's all uploaded and it's all good. But just in case, you can just check it. And this is how you can, basically, if you have some errors or something like that, this is how you can kind of discover the problem if there is one, right? Now, once you have uploaded all of this, then you can obviously exit from here from the settings, source hosting settings, and go to pages. And this is where you can start to add pages. So you want to click add page. And now from this options here, you want to select blank page. So you're going to select blank page, and let's call it number 1 homepage, right? Since this is a personal website, it will have only one page. So I'm going to select that, and then we click next. And here, this is where we can provide a code. And so the first thing you want to do, you want to open this head file with some text editor. It will look like this. So as you can see, it's very basic information here, and nothing major really. And so all you have to do is just copy this and just replace everything that you see there. And that's it, right? And then the same thing you do with the body file. Again, you open that with the text document here, and you just scroll down, see if everything loads nicely. And then you just select all, copy, and you basically paste it in there, and you go to the next, give it the name. So let's say welcome. And you click save and publish, right? And so the first one we will do is just check real quick if the page is loading fine and all the elements are loading. As you can see, they do. So this is how it looks like. And obviously, this is where you can start to customize absolutely everything. So you can start to customize absolutely everything. And the way how you do this is you can simply open this text document and look for the sections where you can customize. For example, here you can provide your name. You can see there is a shortcode, your name. So you go to the website, you see this shortcode right here and say, okay, I want to update that, right? So you now are going to update that. Then you will look, okay, I'm not a writer. Let's say I'm a developer or a coder or whatever, right? Whoever you are, right? Whatever job you do, why you create this website. So you replace the writer, editor with your job description, right? And so step by step you go through here. And so for example, you provide, your Facebook Messenger URL, your Facebook URL, your Instagram URL. So all of those details. And again, here, email, who you are, the name and all of those details. You provide that. And then you go through the sections, you replace this text, about text, with your own text, right? So you find, for example, a section right here, about me. So you can do, for example, quick search, let's say about me, type that in. And as you will see, there is a section about me. And so there is this text. You see, there is the one paragraph, another one, and another one. And so you replace that paragraph with your own custom text, and that's about it, right? And it will display nicely on the page. Then you go to the skills, and if you want to change these, you can always change these to something else. If you, for example, want to have an about section and projects and no skills, that's also absolutely fine. In any case, please don't hesitate to use our support system if you have some troubles updating it, or you have some questions, and we'll be happy to help. But essentially, you just replace your name. You just replace wherever you see the shortcodes here, like a project name. You can see different kind of the shortcodes there, all the information under the shortcodes, and you'll be good to go. Right? So this way, it's all about having the text ready. And if you have the text ready, then it's just about copy and pasting, and you'll have your personal website ready. So that's it for this quick tutorial. And as I mentioned, if you need any help, reach out and we'll be happy to help.